disorder of abnormal lymphocyte apoptosis, which result in persistent survival of the polyclonal double negative T cells. So you can understand this word polyclonal. It is not a malignant condition, it is polyclonal lymphoid proliferation, primarily due to impairment of the apoptosis, which is characterized by excessive accumulation of these double negative T cells. And double negative, why? These T cells are CD3 positive like any other T cell, but they are doubly negative both for CD4 and CD8. So this CD4 CD8 negative double negative T cell population of more than 1.5% of the T cell population is something which is quite pathognomonic for autoimmune lymphoproliferative syndrome. The triad of ALPS includes immune dysregulation, lymphoproliferation, and autoimmunity. And this immune dysregulation or lymphoproliferation, they may culminate to develop malignancy as well, which could be Hodgkin or non-Hodgkin lymphoma. So what is the underlying genetics? There is either a germline or a somatic mutation involving one of those genes which are very pivotal in controlling the lymphocyte apoptotic pathway, for example, Fas gene, or the other genes of the Fas pathway like Fas-L ligand and the Cas10.